everybody, it's Julie from Beautiful Horizon, and today I thought I would show you what I got from Walmart grocery pickup. Okay, so I thought I would go ahead and show you. So I got this iceberg lettuce. My husband loves iceberg compared to romaine, so we get that right now. And then some carrots. My kids love these. We like to dip them in hummus or just eat them plain, peeled, or bake them. You like hummus? And then celery. My husband likes celery with cream cheese and black olives. We also, again, dip in hummus or make soup with it. Super yummy. And then most of my other produce comes from my local bag. And then this maple syrup. I told my kids I'm going to buy one maple syrup per month, and then once it's gone, it's gone. So if it gets dumped all over the plate, they have to wait until next month to get it again. Yes, I'm trying to remove my nail polish stuff. I got them done with this. It's supposed to be healthy nails, but I think it was like an off version. Anyway, long story. It's on. I was talking about it on Instagram. So then some honey. Yeah, look what my daughter made. Isn't that fancy? So pretty. Good job. Okay. And I like to buy this local. I actually prefer to buy it in the 5-gallon container of it. I haven't done that in a long time. I need to get back to that. And then some garlic powder. I also was talking on Instagram about how I ran out of garlic powder and I don't know what to do with my life. This is for a recipe. I want to try a keto bread, and this is one of the ingredients, as well as it calls for 12 egg whites, which is like a lot. So I usually get local eggs, but because of that recipe and the fact that I'm already out and I have to wait a couple more days for my local haul, I just picked up some eggs at the store. Got this, again, to get this nail polish off. I think you're supposed to put some stuff on a cotton ball and then put it on and leave it on for like 15 minutes. So I tried to do it without needing that, and yeah, it wasn't working so well. And then I got a whole chicken, which I can get chicken locally, so I think I'm going to start doing that. It is more of an investment, but I do believe in a lot of animal products. I like getting local as well as like my produce. So, and then some sharp cheddar. We use this for a lot of different things. My cousin sells his milk to Cabot. He's up in upstate New York / Vermont area, and he's a dairy farmer. So we try to support Cabot, and it's just a lot of like small farmers that are selling their milk to the cooperative. So then we get Applegate turkey bacon, or this is Sunday bacon. It was on sale this week, so I got 2 of those. I'm hoping that doesn't mean that they're like not going to sell it anymore. It said a clearance, so I don't know if it's because of the date or if it's just, yeah, it's probably because of the date, because it's 10/22. So I got 2 of them. I wanted to get more, but then I was just like, you know what, I'm trying to stay under a certain number here, so for my budget, so I didn't go crazy. I just bought 2. Kerrygold, I was going to get the salted kind, and they said they didn't have it, and so they gave me this. Sometimes I wonder if it's not that they don't have it, but that they don't want to give me like the last ones. I don't know, because I feel like if I went in there, they would have some. But anyways, they gave me the unsalted, which is fine. And then turkey sausage. Sometimes I make my own turkey sausage, but we've been making like egg wraps, kind of like omelets lately, and putting that in there with some cheese and stuff. You could put like salsa or sour cream on the side or whatever. And then we got some chicken and apple Adele's. I like this brand. They have really clean ingredients. They're actually Whole30 approved. So yeah, again, just simple stuff, and it doesn't have any added sugar. Oops. These are, I don't know if they're like the best ever, but they're pretty simple ingredients. I think some of them have carrageenan in them, which isn't the best ever. It also has sugar, but yeah, it doesn't have some of the things that some brands have that I don't like. So again, this one is a little less complicated. It has water, honey, salt, some sugar, and then celery powder and cherry powder, which is very interesting. But yeah, so the ham is actually better as far as ingredients go. And then I got these super classy, just trying to take care of my skin a little bit more. And this, again, for keto recipes is kind of a staple. This is erythritol and stevia and natural flavor. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a super fan of erythritol. I probably need to do some more research on that, so I'm not necessarily like endorsing erythritol, but I do like stevia, and the taste is pretty good. So until I can find something better, I might try some other things, monk fruit, maltitol, other things like that. I'm not really a big fan of like the sugar alcohols because I've heard that they can mess with your like gut flora. I don't know. I'm not really sure about that. So if you know lots of things about sweeteners, let me know. I'm trying to find like the most natural versions of the low carb or zero carb sweeteners. So, okay, so that's everything that I got today. That's everything I got today. Thank you so much for watching. There's a link in the description box for $10 off your first order of $50 or more. If you want to check that out, I love that I get to give you $10 off, and it gives me $10 off my next order too if you use my link. And they have promo codes sometimes if you've already used a introductory offer code. You can look and see if there are new codes. I just used one today. That probably won't be valid anymore once this goes up, but be sure to check for those every once in a while because I've used a couple of them that were just $10 off. So I love saving money this way, and I also get local produce every week, so I get produce and also eggs. This week I had to get extra eggs because I was already out and my order doesn't come from the local people for a couple weeks or a couple days, so that's what I got today. But anyway, that is something I get to. Thanks for watching this video.